The question says positive and negative sign of lobes of py orbital represents. Okay, positive and negative sign. Okay, first of all, never relate positive as well as negative sign with the positive and negative charge. They are not charged. It is talking about py is there, and we have to consider the wave nature of p orbital. Okay, how is the wave? We have wave in this form. This is the wave. Okay, this is the wave we have. Okay, this upper peak is represented as plus, lower peak is represented as minus. Okay, upper plus lower minus, upper plus lower minus. Okay, these are the geometrical sign of wave functions. Okay, geometrical signs of wave functions. Okay, now let's say if I talk about py orbital is there, this is y. Okay, py orbitals. Okay, so I can represent this is positive and this is negative is there. Positive and negative. Otherwise, I can represent this way also. This is one lobe, this is another lobe. This is positive and this is negative is there. This is what py I mentioned. Py. Okay. One more p orbital is approaching, you can see. Okay, one more. This is what positive, this is negative is there. Okay. So you can see two p orbitals are there. In this case, positive sign are coming there. So it is known as when positive sign are coming closer together and overlapping for the bond formation. This is known as constructive overlapping. Constructive overlapping. Okay, constructive overlapping. Constructive overlapping. And sigma bond formation will be taking place when they are coming closer together. So here we have sigma bond formation. The sigma py we can mention. Okay. If I consider charge positive, they will repel each other. So constructive overlapping is not possible. So first of all, always keep in mind, positive and negative sign should never be taken as a charge. Positive and negative. Okay? Positive and negative. In case if I mention something, this is negative and this is positive. And then we have this is what positive and this is negative is there. Negative is there. Okay. This is negative and it is positive. They are coming closer together for the overlapping. Okay. So this negative and positive, they will cancel out each other. So here constructive overlapping will not be taking place. Here destructive overlapping will be taking place. That we say negative overlapping. This is what? Negative overlapping is there. This is known as positive overlapping. In positive overlapping, bonding molecular orbital formation takes place. And in negative overlapping, anti-bonding molecular orbital formation takes place. So remember, you should not relate positive and negative sign with the positive and negative charge. So you can see option A is correct. Positive and negative signs are geometrical sign of wave functions. This is what we have wave function. Psi A, psi B is there.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.